Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to set default paper size to A4 in Microsoft Word. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Microsoft Word. You can see over here, I have already opened it. Now at top, you'll be able to find various options over here. You'll be able to find the options like File, Home, Insert, Design, Layout, References, etc. Simply click on the option Layout. Now you can see over here the layout tab will be opened. You'll be able to find various options over here. Right over here you'll be able to find the sections for page setup, paragraph and arrange. In the page setup section you'll be able to find various options like margins, orientation, size, columns, etc. Over here you'll be able to find the drop down icon right below the option for size. Simply click on it. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. So if you want to set the default paper size to A4, what you have to do is click on this option, more paper sizes. Now you can see over here this kind of box will open up. Make sure paper option is selected. Now in the section for paper size you'll be able to see the paper size that is selected right now. Simply click on the downward icon. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Find the option for A4 and click on it. Now once you do that, width and height will be selected accordingly. Now after you do that, what you have to do is click on this option, set as default, that you can see right over here on your screen. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. Do you want to change the default settings for page setup? Simply click on this option, yes. Now after doing that, the default paper size will be set to A4. So like this, you'll be able to set the default paper size to A4 in Microsoft Word. So that is how you set default paper size to A4 in Microsoft Word. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.